What's up, guys? Justin DiGiovanni here, and welcome to Utah. Oh man, I cannot wait. We are at observation point, right at the edge of Zion Park during sunrise. So I'm talking to myself, damn it. I mean, if you want, I'll add it in there. Bro, brother. This is, yeah, it's kind of weird talking to like a small little box. Like, what the hell is he talking to? About 3 miles into this location, and it was completely dark. It was a full moon, so we had a little bit of light. Having a full moon definitely helped. The trail was pretty solid. So let me tell you about the composition. Obviously the, god damn it, Alex. Bullshit, man. I can't do it. Alright, so let me tell you about the composition. Obviously the mountains are in the background. My foreground are sections of the cliff right here, but they're in the parts of the middle ground where it's shadow, so they actually tend to stick out a lot better since they're exposed from the sun against the dark background. We've been doing a 3 exposure bracketing kind of composition. It's a -2 right in the middle, and then +2 on the exposure. Ooh, that's fucking super bright. So currently my shutters could be changing quite a bit. My aperture is at 7.1, and then the ISO is 50. So I'm going to be definitely using a cable release as well. That way I don't have to touch a camera in case that shutter is a little bit longer. Kind of moving around and trying to get a better composition with everything. This one, we're pretty much the bottom of the frame is pointed into a V, but then it kind of opens up to the whole valley, the whole mountain range, and then a little bit of this pine tree in the foreground. But it is looking fantastic. Post-processing, I'll get rid of that phone in the photo so you won't see it. Yeah, so we're going to be doing 3 exposure as well, and everything's going to change with the shutter. The aperture is f8, and then the ISO is about 50. That way we get our shadows, which is down the valley, the mids, and then your highlights, which everything else. But oh yeah, this place is gorgeous. Yeah, we've been kind of watching this whole thing unveil itself. As the sun gets higher, it's exposing more and more of the land, even like far back. It's lighting up that whole valley over there, so that's pretty excited about. Down below, down below, way down there, you can see the buses for Zion Park. Parts of this park you can't access with your own car. You have to park and take a bus, and that runs along the river as well. But oh, it is gorgeous. so that's it for the time being. I hope you enjoyed it. I know this video is a little bit quick than my normal videos, but it was kind of like quick pace to get up here for sunrise to get that shot. So hopefully you guys had a lot of fun on this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Yes. And if you want to see more of the videos that I produce, go ahead and hit that subscribe button too. Yes. But you guys are awesome. Stay awesome, and until then, I will see you all in the next video. See ya.